Hi everyone, welcome to Buildnext. Today we are going to start our new playlist on Python. First we will download and install Visual Studio Code and Python. Visual Studio Code is an IDE. IDE means an integrated development environment where we will run the code, test the code and debug the code. And meanwhile we can download Python also. Python is a simple programming language. It's very lightweight and it will support class and objects and object-oriented programming, and we will cover more about it in the upcoming sessions. So now Python is completely downloaded and Visual Studio Code is taking some time. After this we need to configure Python in Visual Studio Code, then only we can successfully run, test and debug our code. That's the task for today. Now you can see both the Visual Studio Code and Python are successfully downloaded. Now we need to install it. So let's go to downloads, click on the Visual Studio Code setup, click on I accept the agreement, click next, tick all these and click next, click install. It will take some time to install Visual Studio Code. And click on finish. It will launch the Visual Studio Code for you. As I have one file already present, this type of window appeared for me. You will get a blank window anyway, so I will just click on new window and close the other one. So this is how a blank window will look like. I am just minimizing it to install my Python. Now I will install Python. Click on these two ticks and install now. Always click the add path to system variables, then only it will be properly configured in system. After installing Python, we need to configure Python in Visual Studio Code. Close the window. Now take your command prompt, type cmd and you get the command prompt. Type python space minus minus version. Okay, now you can see Python 3.13.5 is present on your system, so it's successfully installed. Now close this, take your Visual Studio Code, just close it for once and reopen it again. Now you have nothing here, just click on the open folder option, just go on somewhere, some desktop or downloads or documents, create a new folder here, just something name it something like tutorial. Just select that folder. It will be opened in this window. Click on yes, I trust the others, and then there is a plus sign for new file. Just click on that. Name it as 1.py. Now your first Python file is created. Just click on terminal here, new terminal, and just check the Python version here also. Python space minus minus version. It's successfully present here also. Now you need to integrate the interpreter here. Just press Ctrl Shift P. Now a palette will be opened here. Just type Python colon select interpreter. I have already present it here. You need to type this. Just click on it and take the interpreter you have just downloaded. I have these many interpreters available for me. You only will have Python 3.13.5 present ones. Just take this. Now your interpreter is properly configured in Visual Studio Code. Now we can write a Python code to verify if it's working properly. We can just print something. To print something, you need the print function. Just simple as it. Print braces. You can use single quotes or double quotes inside it to print something, and it's hi Buildnext. Just run the code. Here you can run the code, run Python file. Just run it. Yeah, in the terminal you can see hi Buildnext. So I hope you understood the how to download the Python Visual Studio Code and configure it and to run your first program. If you think this video is valuable for you, please like it, subscribe it, and press the bell button. We are coming with the great contents for you in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.